In the context of the Philippines, the emergence of new media platforms such as internet radio, ebooks, and social media has significant implications for development communication. With over 79 million Filipinos online, these platforms provide a vast audience for development initiatives. The Philippine government's push for digital transformation further supports the integration of these tools into public services, enhancing access to information and resources. The first one is the enhanced public engagement, wherein new media has shifted public information consumption from a one-way communication model to an interactive process. So this transformation empowers citizens to engage actively with public policies and programs. And according to CAN 2023, understanding social media dynamics is crucial for public servants to communicate effectively with the public, fostering trust and credibility in governance. The interactive nature of these platforms allows citizens to provide feedback and participate in discussion, enhancing civic engagement. When it comes to interactivity and accessibility, it is offered by a new media facilitates instant feedback and community participation, which are essential for effective development communication. Also, research indicates that various technologies, including mobile phones and websites, have been employed to engage citizens in development activities. And these technologies not only empower individuals but also promote knowledge and access to information that can drive social change. As internet connectivity expands in the Philippines, a growing number of content creators are utilizing social media for development purposes. So this trend is aligned with the ICT 4D, Information and Communication Technologies for Development Framework, which advocates for using technology to improve socio-economic conditions. These digital platforms enables broader dissemination of information related to health, agriculture, education, promoting informed decision-making among communities. Social media as a communication tool, like Facebook, dominate the digital landscape in the Philippines with a high percentage of users engaging regularly, according to Statistica 2023. This platform serves as vital channels for public discourse and information sharing, allowing organizations to mobilize support for various initiatives quickly. The ability to reach large audience makes social media an indispensable tool for development communication. And despite the advantage offered by a new media, challenges persist in ensuring equitable access across different socioeconomic groups. Bolia et al. 2020 note a significant gap between those who have access to information technologies and those who do not, which can exacerbate existing inequalities in development outcomes. Development communicators must strategize on maximizing their message reach while addressing disparities. In conclusion, new media platforms play an important role in development communication work in the Philippines by enhancing engagement, facilitating information dissemination, and promoting participatory approaches to development. However, addressing access disparities remain a critical challenge that must be navigated to ensure that all segments of society benefit from this technological advancement. As we move forward, it is also important to leverage these tools effectively while fostering inclusivity in access to technology.